Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. For those of y'all who are from Melbourne, I'm sure you are enjoying the sunnier weather now. Things have definitely taken a change. You're seeing a lot more sunlight, the days are longer now, and the weather is much more pleasant. So I'm really glad. And what that means is that motorcycle season is going to start anytime soon. So I'm sure you guys are decluttering your garage and trying to make space, maybe for a new motorcycle, or maybe to fit an additional motorcycle, or to fit an additional car, or just better utilize your garage space. Now, what I want to share with you today is the Dynamoto motorcycle stands, which I've only just recently purchased not too long ago, and I must say this thing is a game changer. So if you are interested to know more about the stands, stay tuned. Now, for many of us, space is always an issue, and we are often on the lookout to find solutions to make the best use of the little space that we have in our homes, and namely the garage. Now, this here is my garage, and as you can probably see, my garage is slightly wider than most of the standard garages you would find in a new house built in Victoria. Mine is about 7 meters wide, and which is about a meter wider than what you would normally find. And the reason I did this is because I wanted to be able to put my motorcycle in there as well as 2 cars. At the moment I've only got the 1 car, but eventually the second car needs to fit, and I also needed to make sure that I could easily access my motorcycle, take it in, take it out when I wanted to, as well as utilizing the least amount of space possible in order to store the motorbike, and being able to comfortably park both cars, open the doors, get in and get out. And I'm very grateful and happy to share with you that I found a solution, and the solution for me was going with this Dynamoto motorcycle stands, and in my opinion they are the best stands you can ever find in the market. Now, as you can see, I've parked my bike really close to the wall, and this is the position that sort of works for me in my garage setup in order to allow me to park both my cars as well as the motorbike. And this would not have been possible without the Dynamoto stands. As you're probably aware, the R1250 GS Adventure is a heavy bit of motorcycle, and to actually park it in a position like that without these stands, almost impossible. So these Dynamoto stands, they are proudly Australian made. They are all designed and manufactured in Brisbane, Australia, and that's something that I'm all out for. I'm all out for supporting Australian businesses, local businesses, and especially when they make such good quality products. Now, there are 3 kinds of stands that Dynamoto have, and they are all 3 are patented. The front wheel system, that is a universal wheel system that fits for almost any bike. And the rear wheel system, they've got 2 different types. Now, what I have here is the single swing arm version, which is designed for motorcycles with single swing arm like the R1250 GS Adventure. And then all it does is it mounts into the hollow hub on the rear wheel. And the third option is the double swing arm, which is the more conventional system that they have, which fits most of the bikes that use double swing arms, and where you need bobbins or spools to attach the stand to. Now, the highlight of these stands and what really makes it special is the wheels that they have on these stands. So each stand, the rear and the front stand, they all come with 3 wheels, and the beauty about these wheels is that they are omnidirectional. And what this does is it allows you to actually move the bike, maneuver the bike 360 degrees in a very tight closed space. It works on gravel, it works on cement, it works on concrete, it works on tarmac. You can literally move it from one surface to the other, and it's made out of really good quality product. It doesn't look like it'll wear off easily, and it's something that is really built to last. And just to add that extra bit of confidence and satisfaction for their customers, they also come with a 10-year warranty. So when you purchase one of these, you are least assured that You do not have to worry about the support that you're going to get from the team and also the quality. So now that we have talked a little bit on the stand, let's get on. Let me demonstrate to you how I actually put the stand on and how I can maneuver the bike with the stand on the bike. Alright, so I'm going to work in the reverse. Now that the bike is parked, I'm actually going to show you how I remove the stands first and then show you how I put it back on. So you can see, as you can probably see, the bike is really parked really close, snug to the wall, and in order for me to remove the bike, all I do is 2 hands on here and I can just pull it, and you can see how easily it slides. No issues there at all. Alright, so let's start off with removing the front wheel stand. In order to do that, all you do is lift this up and then pull it out, and there you go, front wheel is out. Now with the rear wheel stand, it's actually got the safety bar mounted to it at the moment. Now what this safety bar does is it prevents the stand from flipping and getting the bike off. So before you can remove the rear wheel stand, you got to remove the safety bar first, and in order to do that, you remove the safety clip here and then you pull out the safety bar, it comes off, and then you mount the safety bar to the back side here. Put the clip back in, safely mounted, making sure that your front stand is you've put down your front stand. All you need to do is 1 hand here, 1 hand on the rear wheel, pull it, and the bike's down. And all you do then is you just wiggle this, and it's out. Simple as that. You've now seen how easy it is to remove the stands from the bike. Now I'll show you how to put them on. Now in order to put them on, you got to make sure that the safety bar is mounted to the rear side of the rear stand, and then all you need to do is align this hub into the hollow of your rear wheel. And to do that, you just put it in like this, and it just literally slides in, and there you go. That part is done. Your bike is on the stand at the moment, and then you go to the back, you push the bike up, and as you're pushing the bike, you can see that it is now balancing on the 2 wheels, and you can see the bike is actually quite stable. It's not going to move anywhere, it's holding, and then all you do is you push it down. Easy as that, 1 hand operation almost. And then what you do is make sure you remove the safety bar again, and then you need to reinstall the safety bar here. It goes, there's a groove at the bottom where the safety bar goes into, and you align the hole here on the clip and you insert the safety clip back in, and that's all now safe. Now what this does is it prevents the rear wheel to flip forward and causing your bike to fall. So make sure you install the safety bar in the proper direction. We have done with the rear stand. Now let's figure out how to put on the front stand. It's actually quite a simple process. All you do is, that part here is where your tire goes in, so you align your tire into there, and then you push the tire in, so that's in, and all you do then is just push that down and bang, it's in place, secure. So hopefully that was easy enough. But if you have got any doubts, there are lots of information videos on the Dynamotor website, and when they actually deliver the stand to you, they actually also give you how to install instructions, and they've got instructions here for the single-sided swing arm, the double-sided swing arm, the do's and the don'ts, as well as how to install and whatnot. So pretty comprehensive bit of instructions there for you if you ever need it. For the fun bit, I'm going to show you how easy it is to move the bike once you've got the stands in place. Alright, so now you can see, in order for me to turn this bike, I can just do that, It's a fairly tight space we've got here, but you can see how easy it is for me to move this bike around. I can turn it 360 degrees, literally with almost zero effort there. And remembering the GS Adventure is close to 260 kilos, yeah? And wheel it about, I'm turning it again, turning it again in a tight space, moving it. That's literally how easy it is. And now to put it back in the desired spot, so all I do is push it, and there you go, all done. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So as you can see, it's fairly easy to put the stand on, to remove the stand, and once the stand is on, it works wonders. How I could turn the bike 360 degrees with my top box on in this small space is miraculous. Now if you're looking at buying one of these stands, you can use my referral link, which is in the description section below. And what that does is it gives me a small kickback from every sale that is made from that link at no extra cost to you. These stands currently cost about $950 Australian dollar mark. They offer free shipping for Australia, Canada and the US, and they deliver it via express delivery services, which I literally got my stand within 4 days of putting the order in. So that was actually quite amazing in how fast it comes, and I'm sure for overseas customers it will also be relatively quite quick. So I would really appreciate if you could support the channel by using my referral link below to get one of these stands. And look, if you've got any issues, there is a support site on the Dynamotor website. You can get in touch with Paul. I've been dealing with Paul. Paul is an excellent person, easy to deal with, and he was happy enough to give me some pointers about when I was installing the stand and so on. So really appreciate the support, and also their YouTube channel. It's got a lot of stuff on there, a lot of how-to videos, and remembering that the stands are patented products and they have designed stands specific for almost every bike out there with every model. So when you go on the website, select your bike type, select your model, and the appropriate stand will appear. And there are two color options as well. The ones that I've got is the black color, but you can also get the orange color ones. I personally find the black color one a better fit for my bike because the bike is also black. But if you're out for the orange one, you can also get that. So remember, free shipping, Australia wide, Canada, Australia. Use my links below and that will really help my channel. And also, if you have not already subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. Do give me a big thumbs up. Do like, do share the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.